Welcome to eiwayshop. In today's video, we're diving into the art of mastering style and elevating your dressing sense. Your personal style is a reflection of who you are, and mastering it can boost your confidence and leave a lasting impression. Whether you're aiming for a polished professional look or a casual chic vibe, we've got you covered. Let's unlock the secrets to refining your style and making a statement with your wardrobe. Understanding your personal style. Before we delve into practical tips, let's start by understanding the importance of personal style. Your personal style is unique to you and encompasses your preferences, personality, and lifestyle. Take some time to reflect on what styles, colors, and silhouettes resonate with you the most. This self-awareness will serve as the foundation for elevating your dressing sense. Tip 1. Building a versatile wardrobe. One of the keys to mastering style is building a versatile wardrobe filled with pieces that can easily mix and match. Invest in timeless basics such as a crisp white shirt, tailored blazer, classic denim jeans, and a little black dress. These foundational pieces form the backbone of your wardrobe and serve as the canvas for creating endless stylish looks. Tip 2. Understanding fit and proportion. Fit is everything when it comes to mastering style. No matter how stylish a garment may be, if it doesn't fit well, it won't look flattering. Pay attention to the fit of your clothes, ensuring they skim your body without being too tight or too loose. Additionally, understanding proportion is key to creating balanced and visually appealing outfits. Experiment with different silhouettes and lengths to find what works best for your body type. Tip 3. Playing with color and texture. Color and texture can add depth and dimension to your outfits, taking your dressing sense to the next level. Experiment with a mix of colors from classic neutrals to bold statement hues to express your personality and mood. Likewise, incorporate different textures such as silk, denim, leather, and knitwear to add visual interest and tactile appeal to your looks. Tip 4. Adding personal touches. The secret to truly mastering style lies in adding personal touches that reflect your individuality. Accessories play a crucial role in elevating your outfits, whether it's a statement necklace, a colorful scarf, or a chic handbag. Don't be afraid to experiment with accessories and styling details to infuse your outfits with personality and flair. Tip 5. Dressing for different occasions. Finally, mastering style means knowing how to dress appropriately for different occasions. Whether it's a formal business meeting, a casual brunch with friends, or a glamorous evening event, ensure your outfit reflects the dress code and tone of the occasion. Pay attention to details such as dress length, neckline, and footwear to strike the right balance between comfort and style. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering style and elevating your dressing sense. By understanding your personal style, building a versatile wardrobe, paying attention to fit and proportion, playing with color and texture, adding personal touches, and dressing for different occasions, you can unlock the secrets to looking effortlessly stylish every day. Remember, style is not about following trends, but about expressing yourself authentically through your clothing choices. So, embrace your unique style journey and let your wardrobe reflect the amazing individual that you are.